China, Obana Ethiopia, ne AC Akai, Nanokra, or say Ghana Football Association, Ede Atuka Fanny FIFA for any so almost Ramo, Anka Ghana ne South Africa game na Bekoso or Cape Coast no, almost Sanka Kafni FIFA Miem, Nasa 25%, no Munchaso, na Ghana for Kwenya, Emirate the Black Stars of Ghana.
A game by game situation. Normally, you have a bola, you draw letter, and I crata the Coma FIFA and a CAF. Now, the COVID situation on the ground at that particular moment. Now, you're convinced you say, yeah, situation, you know, different from other countries. In the first time, Ethiopia, home my 2,300 spectators. Second time, home my 4,000. You hope said this time, you know, it is so strange. I say, I'm going to with spectators. Other countries, I behind closed doors. But yeah, you to me, push in your crack. Moka send a printing tickets NSA aboka or printing accreditation at least obenya kakra dey ati omoka so and it will follow the same process this time. You ever try Coma FIFA and CAF they am evidence to show say your COVID situation has improved and I know say ombegina and also now they increasing number no am for South Africa man.
Mr. Hart, Henry Asantuchum, Communications Director of the Ghana Football Association. Nensemeno Nyanko Egypt for him cry Freddy Cairo. Hona Hazakes lady Swem CAF Women's Champions League no tournament no air koso. And then Mayuano Ewa Women's Club License Workshop be koso Ewa Cairo. Then so Coach Yusuf Bazigi Akasa and then you may know Num Pepe on the AS Monday NAC Akaose the tactics ne the anyadi obesisem there be team ne the some na tactics no obesisem kakra no ahwe ni mu say against Monday for no obenya results
na means some team na me boy na me bebo but variations because in match bia no your approach ya dey compare nye hu afa opponent no ho na ya dey sa approach no akọ so be hu say Mariana the same Mariana na but be hu say variations eba your tactics nti omo na establish na yeah me share be 30 minutes because you do one sana omo pon ye nya ko ye timi share second half nkaka sana no I'm some dominya 90 minutes na share yi you know bet kakra na me share ni de ya form ho adwen dada se no almost ebi o mafo o ye ho adwen no nim se almost o map certain strategies are o do be stop and bet already no yes so ya fa plan B omo kono se ne o madwen na ni yes so ya so ya vary that is variation of tactics.
Yusuf Bazige, coach Emma Hazakes ladies wish them the very best of luck against AS Monday 5 p.m. Ghana time. Honsem nyame boy china nyina no beba wo ye dwumedie so yanko ni wadu biase na Abdul Salam Yakubu Bebre na friend Sabato a president for New Wadu biase. Also nansem wa na executive council of the Football Association diaba said National Division 1 League no mo di ram 18 teams. Also nukureni executive council for we mo among clubs no cry.
We are Yeboya. Yeboya, the baby motu 10 teams across second division. 6 na Yevanese. Not 6 Bako Ebeko Premier. The Bako Amawu Kenya no baba the count, you know. The 18 teams are on the ball nation. Many concern is that Cabeni at the boss national league because Division 1 was kind of this time now over Premier now was all for 2 how many seasons Premier no sponsorship money. Only another bedding and never took clubs so clubs in happy. The video Division 1 your platform obi really concern obi kasa maybe me Abdul Salam Musamia me any problem. The any problem is all on the national league. If he say Adama your friends say your league you know are very strong. And the secondly, you know, ABA sponsorship in my Division 1 because of the draws of 48, you know, because of Kenya sponsor, not really Kenya sponsorship, but another boy support, other supporter clubs, you know. But Obo national now, because so many years, 48 clubs, and so this administration by Division 1 but Ubusa, the can say your dosso. Maybe I'm not going to be a person of captain number, I am 18 national. They do be out here, but I say, and nobody 18, so you 18, I didn't send the 10 teams and go back and go second division. Now 6 remain as third division. Now Omo national league. Your premiership now here for how many seasons? you just sponsorship on my premiership, man. You never ma we. You know, Sikabeni the boss national league. So ka jam say me we to fiase. Say me fi we to fiase ko wa. Ama me ko tamale. One man is scar. But me busa no me concept me busa. Ya ka jam say eduwa ya be sponsorship. Ama ta class na on be national. But tell you say me say premiership na ngase ya sponsorship na. The minimum am me be ball. Me ma ball league. Nanti kita one the buy ni na me GB. Atende ni na ko he no. Ebi abana. Etino ubusa nso a ya baka say your COVID area. You need no matter. Say ni no matter ma. This proposal I buy. I want say moderator. Make the executive committee no man why because this is a time I need no matter because sponsorship no. Premier na ga ga be. And football we are seeing na scan the football. Obi baka just that the football be obo. Can the football. Etino media make the executive committee no. Omo this proposal
Abdul Salam Yakubu Sabato noni ewie no se Ghana Football Association omu didi omu members omu clubs no so no omu blidi.
Yes, omu benefit se mo betra oni e betwa o 4000 wetin kra yen se omu issue omu pa omu 2 cents kevin na ze mo busumi bia mo benefit enti mo ba office se me ade a e bia omu make so ma ya ma class ya benefit class eni ma de ya de na ntache ni ye friend say eguso ye safa bi ni bia mai but mo we ba mo na mo benefit ya amu di create bibia ma ye friend say o go go ma club ni attract na one so no we have what if the side can wu nya za o because we no be here juma na wu nya mpaso na di pa benefit ya o de bia na o ko so na wu nya mpaso as you see si kana bi ba what do you mean say mo sorry a premium mo go ball like no mo di so
Abdul Salam Yakubu Sabato, President New Adubiasi Football Club. Ninsameno no. Yenra Menra Kumasi Asante Kotko Modemo Mubo against Bechem United Obabara Sports Stadium. Na Jumedi by legendary the Lord of the Green Turf, Lord Opokunti Kasaye. Na ninsem nie osi Ukraine or Kotko Modemo na. Ekwa de nimuno ebesan so epija.
I think Kotoko Modemo gradually a matter of time a bit better than this. I was saying supporters will be any abutre and my team now build yourself through the matches and the baby maybe was a cohesion or and a gradual process match after match players with new coach system and by any abutre.
Lord Opokunti sebe ye nanso abutre ne hia oni toaso na odi tuanim ya bisa na ba Kumasi Asante Kotoko goals na ba chire no na nse nura kra say no goals no by 86 minutes achi ansa na Ishmael Gani we nya penalty and obo penalty na to atena mansa na Brantia ya friend no Samuel Opoku so no ede di aka so na nsem a waka fa late goals Asante Kotoko ehye no enie
ball bia nya match ni nyina na be yesa it depend so only team ball no pursue apa a check and send a goal number.
Lord Opoku enti nensem eso and no na yenram wo coach Dr. Prosper Nati Ogun so aso ni nyina no for late goals Asante Kotoko ehye ho na coach ne say there be ha no kra.
I'm not worried. I mean football is played in 90 minutes. So once the goal is scored, that is
ya dia omo no hwia bom tia kase supporters no dia omo ntuma ba be bom dia no na Asante Kotoko enya giran pempen so bia ese efata yenram our branch fan Maxwell ni abekwe osina kama Accra Great Olympics branch yi ono no wedi ka share goals ne miensa agokansia ba kono the brony fan hat-trick no wedi ka share bi Ghana Premier League nim afia ye boy the 2021-2022 season branch na kasa o se nukrani the dan ani so no se obaji goal king e Ghana Maxwell ni abekwe
trying to do something or take the 3 points at all in this particular game. And for me to I always come to the training grounds and do something before we start our training. It's not something new for me or it's not a surprise for me. I was able to score this kind of goal. So I think it was our determination for doing that. I do my personal training 40 to an hour training before we start our major training at home. So it's not something surprising.
Okay, Maxwell ni abekwe ni nsema no say ono kra de goals o share nra no waye hu training na enti hu o training kra wo fia ansa no obeka ni nuanom ho ama o maye training Olympics so enti goals we de wa hye wo fia ni nuanom ahu a enti anya goal king no na opre yanko wafafo so asue no mo head coach Guillermo Hamdan Zaragoza opanyi akasa na ni nsem nie o se enche wafafo no so ombenya omo wins
It'll come, I'm confident. It's a process. Don't worry, it'll come, I promise. Looking to improve, the results will come. There's 32 league matches left. The most important thing is that we take the positives from this match, we take the negatives and we build upon it. So, the season is long and it'll come. We need to do things right, not just win in any way because we're Wafa. We need to do things right and the wins will come.
Guillermo Hamdan Zaragoza, okay. Head coach Wafa West Africa Football Academy. Nensema no say abutre trust the process. Ade no omo na hihye omo ade nti omo disua modern mono ana modern mono be kona nim nti ye Wafa fan na ono so wanya abutre no ma hwesenia eno so ebesi yakọ. Okay. If ma bedwafo so Emram say Christian.
Obi. Oze Maswala Bikwidi Erika kanasema no pana. Olympics first game against Archie on team kwa kububi. No nya malaria. And for a player season you cry or more game. Now obo the first game, not the first game, obo hat-trick there. A tends to talent a branch of Maswala Bikwi and so ewo. Na and your first time in the last year ohena no a very, very, very consistent. The entire wako dominate enya hell and say awako odi. Was awako status in Ghana football no. Ewo soro ese Maswala Bikwi. Echino say abikwe bobo say na say Olympics winia. Na say bia awako koshego bia na awako no all the fans no banyamia no kreni so he Olympics last season na o de compare Maswala Bikwe we are starting Ghana Premier League na check how consistent he has been from last season to this season. Empire wo ba ne say epra embeto na kwam na obetimenya an injury free season na be hu the real potential of Brantia your friend Maswala Bikwe waka asem bi o say opese oje Ghana Premier League goal king and a dream. Na menim say onim say between a dream and a reality no a lot of hard work say also die so be so ye bibi asana de na also die so person ye no e beba into reality no e say ye adwuma den pa enti no dream na wanya so person oji Ghana go key no say betimi aba into reality dia then you need to do a lot of hard work, personal training and in the coaching some manya no onni so na onye a lot of discipline. Say utie Ronaldo, utie Messi, any other top players now. It doesn't take only training alone. No. Apart from personal training, no, it takes a lot of personal discipline. As I to me achieve your success. If you wish him the best of luck, you him the potential to me wo. Na so when you injury now you discipline. Now take coaching some beti me or coaching some catch no. Now this dia nyamianim no krani. Say this season ba na we ye. Na se Maswala Bikwe so anyi go kini kra no a close to goal-king contenders now. I'm not sure say will be a surprise. I brand to Maswala Bikwe. Na anapani aka say football I the easiest target 25% and no kroma everything has returned to normal. Bibia Saturday right after program obi because chrome say me kotadie Ura Central Market bibia nsi kroma say as a convenient team bikra kroma say o traka mu a bibia buses full to capacity okwa asori a COVID-19 protocols no afi ni subiem bibia has returned to normal apart from football it no start 25% ni de de bampanifo hwe ni biem na mu biem kakra from bare 25% na mpanifo they call at least bare 40% 50% a be appreciated but 25% on obi both football clubs bo mo form adentina bibia ba number COVID-19 my economy bia eba form na economy ni ba form nyina no bibia esa return to normal sabe obia betime nya na adwuma asa ba biem obia na adwuma say bia because COVID-19 ti no na prempren de obia adwuma esa eba so no biem why not football why only football and every time bia no akwa the easiest target ye bibia de akwose na na akwose football and a year cry de say nya na no ko yi a obi a no full to capacity. Now, can say how many 2 hours. and a year 2 hours, wedding 2 hours, I saw in 2 hours. Bibia go back to the na convenient anyone no. Entinum penifontie right from air calf to Ghana asieno. Obiantie na sienti ma full capacity kwana. At least 50% there obi appreciable. Na football clubs in bro. Clubs in bread from last season empty stadium up to this season. Near say bonus muntiminyeska from gate entimi hwe mo dia. One share ni mre ho so no na clubs na collapse. Entim panifo animani mu ye. So metime hu bi kakra bia. Yen ka say full capacity there be. Yen can say even 70% there be. But at least 50% from a started year. Yen ye betimi aso. Nebra from 50% air kono. Ye ko be 70%, 80% progressively. Yen ye be so but 25% there. Nyamianum kreni enrasana wo stadium obi. Uhwe ni pa person ebe game no. At least 50% kenwie no na kotokonyeska kakra o de bobo no bra. But what deny a lot of first supporters are and come to my stadium. Omo man kono, omo gina chile no bi. So confident ho no mo a. Omo gina ebe nya so omo ko inside no. Supporters na ba no gina chile no. If there is COVID-19 na me gidi se ho no. But omo gina chile no. Ebe nya yade no. Mo da omo mutimi wura mu no. Enti no empanifo and we anya ntokwa. Enye argument, enye ohyeso. If they can have a rethink now in review 25% no nyanko no me my humble opinion say at least 50% obi at the start of the year na class enye sika kakra league year there's no title sponsor it you know the major sponsors now any supporters any gate process so when you deny the club so gate process now obi na ukuomo especially when there is no title sponsor say ka title sponsor you crowd the league no so and able league will be $100,000 be and they started here and come to me to Masakakra. But no title sponsor, not even a penny at this moment. Not so much 17 years can free get there. The men who can class and bebre. I don't see how they survive in these circumstances. Penny from Fanqua Jumbi. Now this 50% there. Yen the best so. Ye dear parents in Kabomudia, Obia dear Timbiano. If there is no unity and Quanimu, it you know, a more pointy Kotoko board. Any this current control management, you know, as some kind of say, I did bet me how pa any personal interest, any disunity. Say board no back together. Na management see together. Na supporters running behind this board and this management now. Kotoko will be the ultimate beneficiary. Idea I bet me how Kotoko pa say with this current board, no munye united. Na management any united. Na there will be a disjoint between Kotoko board and Kotoko's management. As a Konebebre. It may said there's huge unity. Our Kotoko board no more. Also any management no and so any very very good air rapport no. Manage ye pa and twas to say ya and twas to say ya say twas to say body united na united behind the kind management na supporters manage say Kotoko Eko Dubai Christopher Debenya Boka supporters Boka ntade no mo to the team no enra Kotoko ba stadium mi supporters mbaye no betima bia ultras create sa atmosphere no edema team no so obi aye na djuma asante Kotoko na personal interest no kontia nyame no krani it will take very very few team ebetima she krobia Kumasi asante Kotoko sa unity na mo preach no me mpesa ba just lip service ye kan no keke na ba dia eye adwuma kasankasa enya adwuma saa na eye adwuma ni nyina no upese ohun fa so betima baso na preach no so if the board no united management united players and so united there is no disunity bia at any point in time obienwe season no you see the rare size of Asante Kotoko an amazing club with amazing personality and they have over the years in no disunity okay. Any personal interest
okay Christian that's bebre darling Paul
tries Guillermo Zaragoza me sure say before say oba befa West African Football Academy no now wonim team no philosophy dada yen nyina yenim say wafafo no omo tete players ano matom ansa no ma sa ba be project ne foforo na omatima jelly into the new season so unfortunate for Guillermo Zaragoza wama meto Augustin Boache wama meto Enoch Subontin Daniel Omote ni Jashi Ashikwe Bote and so joining Legon Cities yes omo lose a whole lot of qualities ewo wafa bobo kuonim and wafa hono before say omo be pamon ama wakwa na so omo beton ama free bobo kuonim no just omo replacement ansa no mayesa That's the reason why Oman ton just to Tosuche ama Kotokono. That's the reason why Kona do yadom that's what wafano. But players are canon. Omu ja omu because omu replacement. And definitely these boys, enyano seniana omu bono ewo. Just a take it time. John Tedekumo, Razak Simpson, Derek Mensamono, just say Emre Konenim no answer no matima bonnet said they're not old players ne bono. Because yenim Abraham Majid Ashmeru, any other players in the free ono, Martin Entry, Rich Molante mu free ono, or more bonnet key time, answer no more adapted to the system, no. Don't say or more order that, or more passing through the ranks, and no more do a senior side or. Intimine Guillermo Zaragoza Bayajan say, just say, a yakakra, and sana amount for a yawafa, a performance. No. Hazakes ladies, you see Basigi, and some workers will be maintaining a winning team. No. Now, tactically changes, any variations on the field of play, and obey deploy. Ninyane say, Hazakes ladies, any Marabo Kings from Equatorial Guinea boy, no, or Shane 31. And Obi, Unimi Naya against a winning team and times sano. Enti ene abra oni AX Mandi from Eye Mali, Ebono, Obi maintaining the same place no do boy no. Yenina Evelyn Badu, Emo Demo, Abra Moni Malabo Kings boy, on a J, women of the match no. Grace Banwa Blessing Agbomazi, Doris Boadua. These are very good players. Our Mutimi J Ghana, young women football no. Omuna AJ. And me free say this is the first ever CAF Women Championship for mobile and a bemo die exposure. A bemo die experience, and a very good tournament. Our mobile. And a opportunity. And so the man you see Bazigi, so on bebre. But media minute say o maintain that team now. Lastly, Masoni Abekwe. Obi unim sending yake tuane Samoni Ashikwe. And last season, yenina yehu Samoni Ashikwe emodemo. Anya mi wakra. Say Obi ubeka say hasu foke kwa kofa glass na wakwa. Enka omunyai enfamfa this striker Masoni Abekwe because minimum the qualities. And your phone me more quality. Or more qualities. And onim say Goduna Trump and I didn't come Olympics for no. Or Godfather no. Very hardworking guys. The reason why I make us say me no ya Jane or Masoni Abekwe no technique no one. And look at the goals and wash it. Okay. Oh, you're very mobile, very strong on the ball. Mm-hmm. He's one of the best strikers or more in league in him. Last season, I think say you won't need anymore because you need an opportunity. Echo ball under 20 or buy no enough exposure, none the confidence cost row and Masoni Abekwe no ne pre hanika krakra. This season was started on a very good note when you hat trick for the first game, and I think say. Go kina or cast or person watching. Many say Christian ya doing. Say only discipline and hard work and the better denako. Okay. Because Obi, unim said last season. Yan strikers na there competing for a go kina. Ene omu yeah. Kwame Poku. There we see a Taylor. Joseph Eso. Obeka Kwame Peprenimo. Ene omu yeah. So it's advantage for a year. Maxoni Abekwe. Okay. So Timeji go kino. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yadasibebre Darling Paul. Darling Paul no atene nka no andi. Fa boafo no ho sembre ne enkwa homane so na yentie de ensem a Ghana fo ewo mai.